Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's June 8, 2026. Several Indian American candidates made gains in key races, with leaders like Khanna, Bera, and Wahab advancing, while others fell short. The results reflect both growing political influence and increasingly competitive electoral landscapes. Leading Nobel Prize winners caution that while artificial intelligence can accelerate discovery, over-reliance could weaken curiosity-driven science and long-term innovation. India announced the removal of capital gains tax on government bond investments by foreign investors, aiming to attract more global capital and deepen financial markets. A new India Heritage Center proposal in the US aims to showcase thousands of years of Indian civilization and strengthen cultural understanding across generations. Indian mangoes became the highlight of a Seattle showcase event, celebrating agricultural exports and introducing regional varieties to wider American audiences. A new health column urges more open conversations around infertility, emphasizing awareness, emotional support, and reducing stigma surrounding reproductive health. Civil society groups gathered at Jantar Mantar demanding accountability and reforms in education policy, including calls for ministerial action. Indian origin business leaders earned recognition on Fortune's Most Powerful Women list, underscoring their expanding influence across global industries. This opinion piece argues that policy choices should balance growth, affordability, and sustainability rather than replicating economic models seen as problematic elsewhere. As the Ebola outbreak continues in Congo, African institutions and the WHO unveiled a coordinated strategy focused on containment, treatment, and preparedness. An analysis explores how the global balance increasingly depends on the evolving relationship between the United States and China, and the tensions that come with it. This reflective piece explores how personal experiences and recollections transform into storytelling and artistic expression. A tribute reflecting on cultural memory and legacy examines the lasting impact left behind after a significant loss. A cricket commentary examines how modern sports narratives can shift quickly despite defining moments on the field. Royal Challengers Bengaluru completed a dramatic transformation, turning years of near misses into a landmark IPL triumph and rewriting their legacy. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.